If you have small penis, then this video is for you. You must watch it to the end, because I have brought 5 solutions, natural solutions that will help you. Number 1 solution is that as a man, if you have pot belly and you have a small penis, try to lose that belly fat. When you lose that belly fat, you will notice that the size of your penis has increased. So don't carry pot belly about. It's even a sickness. Lose your belly fat if you have small penis, and you will notice that the length of your penis will increase. Number 2 is that you marry a virgin. If you are the first to be with that woman, then the size of her vagina will be according to the size of your penis. Number 3 is that you opt for other childbirth method. If your wife or your woman keep giving birth through the vagina, her vagina will enlarge. It won't retain that original shape you used to know. So if you opt for other childbirth method, it will help the vagina to remain in shape. Number 4 solution is that you learn how to use your penis. Some men don't know how to use their penis. Watch videos and learn. Go online, search for videos and learn how to use that penis, and your woman will be satisfied. Number 5 solution is that if you've tried everything that you could and your woman is still not satisfied, let her go and look for a woman that you can satisfy, and she can also satisfy you. Thank you for stopping by. Let me know what you think about this video on the comment section, and let me also know where you are watching from. I would love to see you next time. For now, bye bye.